Yes,
I
ma'am, I
understood.
understood.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Shall I? Okay. For others, let me explain. You see the first one. So what we have learned basically that how to solve the differential equation, first order first degree differential equation by separation of variable. Then if the equation is in the form of homogeneous, okay. What is the meaning of homogeneous differential equation? Anyone can answer?
Ma'am, is it denominator and numerator is in same order?
So function, say it is the ratio UIDX equal to f of xy divided by g of xy. Okay. So x, this f is a function of xy and v is a function of x and y. So that will be. Is that? Anyone? Any other? So Shadia is correct or wrong?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
those two
functions should be in same degree.
Then the
Then the
overall equation
is
is
called
called homogeneous differential equation.
So one is say that f of xy say x into y. G of xy say y square or x square. So see this one x to the power x into y means x power 1 y power 1. Okay. And say below this one is x divided by say x. Okay. Not x square x. Okay. Then the degree is same, no? Or not? So give one example. Very basic example. Say one equation is dydx equal to x square minus y square divided by x by y, x into y. Shall I write in the chat box? Say your equation is, I think we solved this one also. X square minus y square whole one divided by x y. Is homogeneous. Say dydx equal to x square minus y square x square not x2. X square minus y square divided by x and y, x into y. So it is homogeneous. dydx equal to x square minus y square divided by xy. Okay, here see the degree is x square 2. Minus is there, y square. So the numerator denominator is x power 1. xy means what? X power 1, y power 1. So if you add 1 plus 1 power, that will be 2. No. So degree should be same in the numerator and denominator. So that is then you can apply. You can substitute y equal to vx. Y equal to vx. Then again you can use the first method. Variable separation. Okay. This one. Then linear differential equation. If the equation in the form of dydx plus what is that? Can you tell me? Linear equation. Bablu, tell me. What is the meaning of linear equation? Linear differential equation. How do you solve it? What is the form of standard form of a linear equation of the first order? What is the standard form of a linear equation of the first order? That is also known as linear equation of that is also Leibniz linear equation. No? Then we have discussed about the Bernoulli's equation. Then just only one problem we did, exact differential equation. Okay. What is the first step? So variable separation method. Then if the equation is in the form of homogeneous, we can solve it. Substituting y equal to dx. Then we have learned about the linear differential equation, linear differential equation of first order. Okay. And the standard form of linear equation of the first order. What is the standard form of linear equation of the first order?
Ma'am, dy dx plus py equal to q.
Yes. And what are p and q? They are function of x. Then how do you solve that one? You have to find out the integrating factor, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is basically e power integration of p dx. Okay. And the solution of this that Leibniz linear equation is that y into integrating factor equal to integration of q integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, right side you are integrating with respect to x. Integration of q integrating factor into dx plus constant. Okay. So this one Bernoulli's equation. You have to first make it Leibniz form. Convert the Bernoulli's equation. You have to first convert into the Leibniz form. Okay. Then you can use the same procedure. So what is the Bernoulli's equation? dy dx plus py equal to q. This is the general form actually of a Bernoulli's equation. dy dx plus py equal to q y to the power n. Okay. P and function of x, and we have to reduce this one into Leibniz linear equation. Okay. I think we have solved only one problem there. Okay, an exact differential equation when what is the condition? Necessary and sufficient condition for the differential equation is in the form like m dx plus m dy equal to 0. To be exact, like shall I write? Did you remember? So m of let me write in the chat box m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Okay. So what is n? M is the function of xy. N is the function of xy. Okay. So when this equation will become the exact, if you see the necessary and sufficient condition for this differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 to be exact is the del m by del y equal to del n by dx. Means you have to differentiate partial differential name with respect to y and n with respect to x. Okay. But partial differential equation because both are function of x and y. Okay. So I think we have done only one problem. Okay. Now the homogeneous equation you see that the first that PDF I think that Monday Subhash downloaded uploaded that one. That one you can see. Is it clear? Did you understand? So up to this one is clear. Bernoulli's equation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now this is little equation reducible to homogeneous form. Okay. That one can you please open? So see this. We have the equation dy dx. One solution also I think I had given you. Okay. So dy dx equal to say ax plus by plus constant. Then numerator this one. Denominator is a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. Okay. Here we'll try to make it homogeneous. Means from homogeneous form. Okay. So you have to see there are two types of cases. Okay. First one is when a by a dash not equal to b by b dash. This is one. Second one when both are equal. A dash a by a dash equal to b by b dash. Okay. So the case one. Okay, we'll explain the case first. We'll learn the case one. A by a dash not equal to b by b dash. So this one there is I gave one problem. See that one dy dx equal to y plus x minus 2. After discussing the two case 1 and case 2, I gave one problem. You see, dy dx equal to y plus x minus 2, y minus x minus 4. Okay. First one you do. Say we have a by a divided by a dash not equal to b by b dash. Okay. Then that case what you have to do? You have to substitute x small x equal to x plus h. What is h and k? And y equal to y plus k. H and k are constant. Okay. So we are substituting small x equal to capital X plus h. What we are trying to do, we are making it homogeneous. Okay. If the differential equation is in this form. Okay. X equal to capital X plus h, y equal to y plus x. So if you differentiate x equal to x plus h, then we will get dx equal to means here the left hand side x is the small one and dx equal to dx capital X. But h is a constant, so that will be 0. Similarly, for y equal to y plus k, that will be dy equal to dy means small y and capital Y. So up to this one you understood? We have the equation dy dx equal to ax plus by plus c, a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. Okay. Here that in that equation y plus x minus 2. Okay. Y minus x minus 4. You will see that a by a dash not equal to b by b dash. When you will explain, you will understand this one. But first, let us consider this condition. The case 1. A by a dash not equal to b by b dash. Okay. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to put x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus x. Right side x is capital and y is capital. So then you differentiate. Dx equal to dx, dy equal to dy. Okay. Now you write our original equation 1 dy dx in the form of capital dx, capital dy. Okay, means x and y are capital. Just you substitute that one. X plus dy, x is here, x plus h. y equal to y plus k. That way I have substituted in the numerator x plus by plus c and it has x plus b plus y plus c dash. So that you understood this one. How we are getting equation 1 to equation 2. Can you please see the that wave file? We are getting equation 1 to equation 2. May I know how many of you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, Bablu and Satish and Amol.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Understood. Got it.
Okay. Vishal, Uday, why you are frequently not attending regular classes? You are not attending classes. I think last 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Any problem? You are not audible. If you have any microphone issue, can you write in the chat box? Any issue, any problem, any health issue? Okay, he's not answering. Okay, so all of you understood how we are reaching to one equation 1 to equation 1 to equation 2. Okay. Now what you have to do? This one like that one component is there in the numerator a of h plus bk, a into h plus b into k plus constant and denominator a dash plus b dash plus c dash. Okay. So that this one you have to consider as 0. Okay. So what is our goal? Why we are keeping a plus bk plus c constant and a dash plus b dash c dash equal to 0 to find out the value of h and constant h and k. Okay. So that is our goal. Okay. Now see. So we are writing h plus bk plus c constant a dash plus b dash c dash equal to 0. h plus bk plus c in plus constant equal to 0 and a dash plus b dash plus c dash equal to 0. Okay. Now that you learn the matrix, how to solve the matrix. Next step. How many of you understood the next step? Like h equal to b c dash minus b dash c, a equal to this one. This I think I have learned in school. Or when we learn the matrix. How many of you understood this one? This one. H by I have written after. So our goal is to from here to find out h and k. What is h? What is k?
Ma'am. But ma'am, we can use simple elimination method.
Okay.
We have two equations and two unknowns. So we can use elimination method to find.
Okay, you have done that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That is also okay. But here see the logic is that see this one that we have say consider three column. Means in matrix one cell is h and below is a dash h. The next column say b dash k. Okay. Next one c dash. Okay. Now you have to omit this part h and a dash x. So you take this way. B into c dash minus b dash into c. So matrix we have learned how to this way are applying. Or that Subhas is telling that way also you can find out what is h, what is k, because we have two equation to one. That way you can do, but I have done this way. So how many of you understood this one? Why I have written h by c dash minus b dash c? That logic. See h, it dash h. So you have to take the right part. bk plus c, bk and constant And V dash K, C dash, that one. So that actually you have to do this way. You have to V into C dash, V dash into C. Okay. When you will take BK and V dash K, you have to omit. You don't have to consider that one. Okay. So C right side. What is that? C. A dash and C dash A. Then C plus the right one, C and C dash. This I have used that matrix one. I used to solve this. You can do that way. If you feel that Subhas is telling it is easier, you can do that one. If you do not understand this one. So then what will happen? dy dx will be okay. dy dx. So y and x is capital. Will be ax plus by. Here all are capital x and y. A dash x plus b dash y. This is the homogeneous in x and y and can be solved by putting. Then homogeneous means you can substitute. You can consider y equal to bx. Okay. Same way you have to do. Okay. I think it will be easy if I give that one exercise that solve dy dx equal to y plus x minus 2, y minus x minus 4. If I explain this one, that will be easy, I think. That go to that way. That one case 2 I am not discussing. Now case 1. Okay. We have one exercise actually. That is satisfying the case 1. A by A dash not equal to B by B dash. Okay. So what we have to do first? You can solve actually. You have to consider x equal to capital X plus H, y equal to capital Y plus K. Okay. Then dx equal to dx. Right side x and y are capital and dy equal to dy. Then you try to convert equation 1 to 2. All of you try. Equation 1 to equation 2. Equation 1 convert to equation 2 after substituting x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k. Then you reach up equation 2. Then I'll explain. Which all of you do, please. What is A here? A is the coefficient of x. No? A dash is the x. So if you here x equal to 1, no? A means 1. A dash means minus 1. A by A dash. So 1 by minus 1. B by B is basically B is the 1. Y is 1. So minus 1 not equal to 1, no? A dash not equal to B by dash. From this equation, what is A? And what is A dash? What is B? What is B dash? First you tell me what is A here? What is A dash? What is B dash? Y plus x minus 2, y minus x minus 4. Tell me. Compare with that one. X plus by plus c, A dash x plus y plus c dash. What is A here?
1.
A dash?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. So left side you are getting minus 1. Okay. Then B.
B and B dash equal to 1.
1. So minus 1 not equal to 1. So that case 1 satisfying the case 1. So we have to use that. All this one x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k that way. Okay. So now make it 1 to 2. Please everyone try. So Amal, Hima, Matungi, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Divya, and Megha.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing.
Chadni is very good. I hope she understands. Good. Nishi and Naburashi.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing.
Vishal, Uday, and Babul.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm getting it.
Able to follow? Babul and this Uday.
Yes, ma'am.
Uday missed
Yes,
lots
ma'am.
Yes,
of
ma'am.
pieces. So you have to go through all the notes I sent already. Three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Today everyone joined. Good news. Nishi. Chandan did not join.
Ma'am, he had scheduled for the vaccination.
Okay.
So,
3, 4, 5. She was absent for 5 days. Last 5 or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Equation 1 to equation 2.
yes, ma'am.
And okay. So then what we have to do? K plus h minus 2 that part and k minus h minus 4 that part. Both you have to consider 0. And then you have to find out what is k and h. You just that we have learned in school that if we have two equation, then you can from these two equation you can find out what is the value of k and h. K is equal to minus 1, k equal to 3. How many of you got? Okay, it is little bit. Okay. The next variable separation you have to do. So if you get equation 3, dy dx equal to y plus x into y minus 6. Power degree is 1, no? So it is now homogeneous in x and y. Capital X and Y. So you have to substitute y equal to b capital X. In similar procedure. Got it or not? Subhash?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
So you got
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
that which is required up to this one, able to reach up to end.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what about others? Then you change the next case actually. I'll explain the others. Matungi, Hema.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, good. Amal. Up to end, did you to find out the solution?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood the logic, no?
Yes, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
Megha?
Now,
Amul.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Got it.
Megha, are you doing? Done. Everyone completed? Whoever completed, see that case 2. Whoever completed case 2, others can do the first one. First you solve the first one, then I'll explain the case 2. But you try to understand yourself. A by the case 2. Problem. I have to just to eat on charger. Battery saver. Okay. So everyone completed the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I explain the second one? Any problem in first one? Do you have any problem in understanding the first part? Satish and Bablu.
No, ma'am. I got it.
Satish, Bablu?
This is Satish.
Okay, I understood you. Bablu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, but Shadia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you see case 2. Okay. So and we have one example also. A by a dash means when both are equal. First one is not equal. A by a dash not equal to B by B dash, and when this is equal. A by a dash equal to B by B dash. Okay, when they are equal, we have to consider A by a dash equal to B by B dash equal to 1 by M. Okay. So in that case, A dash will be A into M, B dash will be B into M. Okay. And you substituting A dash then B dash equal to AM and BM. You write the original equation that equation 1 will become dy by dx ax plus by plus constant m into x plus by plus c dash equal to constant. Sorry, c dash. C and c dash are constant. M is also constant actually. Okay, dy dx equal to ax plus by plus constant, m is equal to ax, m into ax plus by plus c dash. Okay. So did you understand? So that our original equation 1 is becoming dy dx equal to ax plus by plus c, m into ax plus by plus c dash. Okay. So then what you have to do? You have to put ax plus by equal to t or any function. Okay. T or Z, whatever you want. W. Okay. X plus by equal to T. Okay. Then again you substitute. Again you differentiate Ax. So if A is constant, X if you differentiate, that is basically 1. So A plus B dy dx equal to dt dx. Am I correct? So what is dy dx? A plus b dy dx equal to dt dx. Then from this equation, what is how do you find out dy dx? B dy dx equal to dt by dx minus 1. Can I write? Then you have to from this equation you have to find out dy dx. So dy dx equals to basically 1 by b dt by dx minus a. Getting? Yes sir. No. Yes sir. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then see that our after substituting a dash equal to a and b dash equal to b and we got dy dx equal to ax plus by plus constant m into means three equation 3 dash that I have written that equation. Equation now becoming 1 by b dt by dx minus a equal to t plus c mt plus c dash. Whether you are getting what we are doing here. See, now our dy dx equal to 1 by b dt by dx minus a. Okay, that I have written 1 by b left side dt by dx minus a. Then right side x plus by. Okay, x plus by basically t. No? So t plus c m into t plus c dash. Down 3 dash is becoming this one 1 by b dt by dx minus a equal to t plus c mt plus c dash. Did you understand? Because we are taking ax plus by equal to t where t is function actually. So we have to convert to dy dx. We have to actually that integration whatever we have to do in terms of t by dx. dt by dx we have to do. How many of you understood? T dash becoming 1 by b dt by dx minus a equal to t plus mt plus c dash. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then dt dx from this equation can you find out what is dt dx? What is dt dx? dt dx. Did you understand what is dt dx? How we have found out that am plus b into ta, c dash plus bc by mt plus c dash. Did you understand this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Okay. So now you can use the variable separation method. Okay. Finally, t equal to x plus b by. Now we consider t equal to x plus by. You have to substitute in that equation. Okay. I think it is better if we go directly to that equation. Like that exercise. Then that will be easier. So 3y plus c, that equation you go. dy dx equal to that one. 3y plus 2x plus 4dx minus 4x plus 6y plus 5 dy equal to 0. So we write that equation. We find out from this equation what is dy dx. That x plus whether you are getting dy dx equal to 2x plus 3y plus 4 2 into 3x plus 3y plus 5. Okay. Here, what is this? Here, whether what is A and A dash, whether it is fulfilling that one A dash equal to B dash. Can you check?
Yes, ma'am.
What is A?
Ma'am, 2.
A dash?
4.
Okay, so A by A dash is coming 1 by 2, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
B by B dash?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
So both are equal. Means A dash equal to B dash means case 2 is satisfying the case 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in case of case 2, what we have to do? So we are getting dy dx equal to 2x plus 3y plus 4. 2 into 2x plus 3y plus 5. So 2x plus 3y, numerator and denominator, these are the common factors. So what you can have to consider 2x plus 3y equal to t. Now that follow that same step. You differentiate. So differentiate means you will get differentiate with respect to x. So 2x means x is to differentiate you will get 1 means 3 into dy dx equal to dt by dx. See that the note and do. If you stuck in any state, just let me know. To find out dt dx. dt dx, so you can use the variable separation. You see dt dx. You first find out dt dx equal to this one. dt dx equal to 70 plus 22 plus 2t plus 5. How many of you are getting? So integration part you can try later, but how many of you getting up to this one? So we can use the variable separation method actually. That I wanted to convey you is in this method you are using the variable separation method. One side t is there, one side x. Now as it is we have to integrate. Integration you can do in different way. Finally, you have to substitute t equal to px plus q1. So that will be your required solution. This one, everything I took from higher engineering mathematics, that book. See, this is the linear equation only. If non-linear equation you think. And it is only we are learning first order. First degree, if it is higher degree, d2y dx square. I'll include that thing also. For MTech students, you know this one. We are learning little bit advanced. We have to learn more actually. How to solve the non-linear equation also. System biology, we are using differential equation. Anyone had mathematics to graduation level? Graduation level?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you learn all this thing, no? Or not? It was not there.
Yes, ma'am. We learned.
So you learn all this one? Or this homogeneous, this one, or how to reducible to homogeneous form. That thing you learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then good, no? Then you should learn in advance. I'll give some problem in second order derivative there. Double integration you learn?
Ma'am, is it under the integration for the curve of a line and bending of the area like that one?
Double one, no?
Yes, ma'am. Is it that part that we have find the area?
Actually, what is the meaning of integration? Like when you are given the integration is say 0 to 1. 0 to 1 some function. You are integrating. Say, then what is the meaning? Definite integral, no? What is the meaning of this one? 0 to 1 means what? That the integration of 0 to 1 or 2 to 3. So you are finding out in integration what is the meaning of integration. Do you have idea? Summation? We are
Small parts we are integrating into find the entire area.
Area only we are finding. No.
Volume also.
There also. Double integration. I'll give some problems. So this one solve one. You have done this one. Integration you can try. This is actually easier. The factor we have done 2 by 7 this way. You can try in different ways also. Finally, after integrating, we have to substitute that one. What we have considered t equal to px plus qy. So we have to put t equal to px plus qy after integrating. Okay. So that will be your required solution. that differential equation. Is this fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We can wind up. We have economics and photonics class, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can stop here, no? Anything you want to ask me? Today I am not that everyone is present. So that I notice everyone except that Chandan, everyone is there. So I took your attendance also. So we'll wind up now. You can thank you all. Then you can join the next class.
Ma'am,
One second.
Tell me, Subhash says.
yes, ma'am. Have you decided a date for internal two?
Actually, not 28 is that your MSc students final exam. Okay. So I told no that is basically the programming in Perl. Okay. And 26 your senior MTech second year students that practical. Okay. Exam. And same exam. And for MSc whole day means I have to take their viva. Although officially the exam starts from 2 o'clock. Okay, but I have to start from the start in the morning actually because first we have to take that 35 or how many students for viva. Then they will I will give one or two problem. Okay. They will write the program. So whole day it will go. So I don't know whether I can make the question paper. So that for next day actually. So I want Wednesday is fine for you. First hour.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll make it Wednesday. First hour. Don't keep any other day. 9 to 9:30 to 10:30.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. You can leave.